How to review and resolve action tags in WebAdmin. To review action tags submitted by technicians, start by opening the Notifications panel. Click the notification to view the associated job and follow-up request. In the Job Details page, you'll find a Follow-up Required section. Here, you can review the action tag and internal notes submitted by the technician. After completing the required follow-up, click Mark as resolved to close the action tag. An optional resolution note can also be added for future reference. When you're ready, click Confirm to complete the resolution. The resolved action tag and resolution note will remain visible for reference. If further action is required, click Unresolve and then Confirm to reactivate the action tag. This will restore the action tag to its previous state and make it active again for follow-up. In addition to job details, action tags can also be viewed directly from the Schedule page. Jobs with active action tags will display a flag icon on the job card. Hover over the flag icon to view the assigned technician and action tag details. Click the flag icon to open the Job Details page in a new browser tab. Admins can also manage action tags more efficiently using the Job Tags filter on the job list. Select one or more action tags to display jobs that match the selected tags. To return to the full job list, simply clear the filter. Administrators can also manage action tag templates from the Settings page. Navigate to Templates and select the Job Action Tags tab. To create a new template, click New Template. Enter the action tag name and, optionally, a description. Then click Save. You can use the search function to quickly find an existing template. Clear the search to return to the full template list. Templates can also be reordered using the Move Up and Move Down options. Edit existing templates or delete templates that are no longer needed.